The next question type is the multiple choice question. This question type lists a set of choices to the student in which they will have to choose the correct answer. The first few steps for this question type are the same as for most. Enter the name, question text, choose the default mark, and set feedback for the question. The next step will be to choose how the multiple choice question will be answered. It is possible to allow more than one correct answer. Select to allow either a single answer or multiple. The next two settings are optional. If you set the option to shuffle choices, and the setting for the quiz is also set to shuffle within questions, then the answers will appear in a random order. Also, you can set how the choices are numbered. There are various options to choose from, such as alphabetical or numerical. Next, you will need to input the answer choices to the question. At least one of these answers must receive 100% of the grade. If you choose to shuffle answers, then the order that the answers are listed is not important. You will need to enter at least 3 different answers. Each answer choice can have its own feedback and its own grade. After inputting all of the answers, scroll down to see that there is optional general feedback. Here, you can choose to display a certain message for any answer that receives partial credit or for any response that receives no credit. The next choice to set is the penalty amount. This number only comes into play when using the adaptive mode, which again allows students multiple attempts at a question to get partial credit if they answer wrongly at first. The default sets this to be 1/3 of the grade, but you can change this to be a different amount if you wish. Lastly, you may optionally add hints to the question or add tags. Click Save Changes when finished. As before, the new question will need to be added from the question bank contents if it did not appear in the quiz.